Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find the solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps. After that you will enter to Skype. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.